Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Since 1932, Price Pump Company has been an industry-leading manufacturer of high-quality centrifugal pumps. With their broad range of sizes, configurations, and materials of construction, it's no surprise that Price Pump is America's most versatile line of centrifugal pumps. New technology and ever-changing markets have continued to fuel the evolution of Price Pump's product development and ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facility. Their in-house 3D printing capabilities and state-of-the-art test facility allow Price Pump to transition from design to prototyping to production-ready pumps in as little as 3 months. In addition to general use applications, Price Pump is proud of their storied history of developing products specific to the requirements of many original equipment manufacturers. Applications include chemical processing, semiconductors, water, wastewater treatment, diesel engine preheaters, server farms, parts washers, and medical laser coolers. If you have ever experienced an MRI, chances are a Price Pump was used to cool the electronics. Price Pump's line of air-operated diaphragm pumps with superior air valve design continues to be the envy of the industry. Price AOD pumps can be found in many chemical transfer applications, including filling paint cans at your local hardware store. Engineering excellence, superior service, unparalleled technical support, competitive prices, an industry-leading 7 to 10 day lead time, as well as their worldwide distribution and service network make Price Pump the one-stop resource for your pumping needs. When you need to move liquids, think quality, think delivery, think price. Learn more at pricepump.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.